How do you start?
I don't know.
a
I'm
video?
not sure what to say. What should we say here?
That's a tough one.
I don't. Maybe we should talk about what to say in the beginning of a YouTube video.
I think that would be helpful.
Yeah, no, I mean it's a good topic. I know we've done a bunch of these, and it seems like almost every time we start a video, we sort of have to think it through. But I think the question becomes, what kind of video are you doing? And then that will help shape how you should start it, right?
Yeah, I mean, in my world, we make a lot of how-to videos, and there's a specific way that I like to start, that I recommend that we start those. But then there's also like the vlogging world,
Yeah.
or more entertainment style videos. Let's talk about those first, just because it's not my area of expertise, but it's something that I definitely see and observe. If it's an exciting video, something exciting happens, maybe 8 minutes in, a lot of them will show right at the very beginning, just a little teaser of that thing right before it's about to happen. So they show that, and then you know, okay, that's what's coming in this video. So it's kind of like some type of a hook.
Yeah,
to get you interested in watching the rest of the video.
And it will be different every time, especially for vloggers, right? Because generally they're shooting from a different location, they have a whole different construct going on, and so the hook, that little tease, and then even the intro itself is going to kind of change. But in our case, where we do, static, we're always here, we have sort of a set pattern.
And I basically, this video is going to be short because I've got two principles that I like to include in every intro. One is, what is the video about? We want to let you know what it's about. And it's generally going to be a repeat of the title. So we're just kind of confirming to you.
Now, why? But there's strategy behind that. The repeat of the title.
I mean, we definitely use it in the
degree.
title. We put it in the title certainly because of keyword research or search engine optimization. So we want it there.
So it's visually, it's typed in, it's the written form of what you've determined keyword research is the title. But when we say it, does it also get picked up in terms of...
Yeah, it definitely does, because YouTube will transcribe the video, and they'll weight that really heavily. So if we say that the video is about how to ride a bike, but then in the video we don't even mention that, or there's no bikes or anything, YouTube will know this is actually about how to blow up a balloon. Just crazy examples. But that is important. So that's one reason why you might say it in the beginning. But it's really good to know if somebody has gone onto YouTube, or if you're watching this on LinkedIn, you've done a search and they found this video, by you telling them that's what this video is about, it just confirms in their mind, okay, I'm in the right place.
Right.
The second recommendation that I have is to somehow give them a hook. And with a how-to type video, it's really to let them know why are they watching. And that hook might be sharing your expertise. Like, I'm going to teach you how to do this. I've done this 1,000 times and I'm the best person to show you how to do this. Or it might be, I've figured out, the 5 top ways to do, topic. In fact, the 5th one is the best. You make sure you watch to the end. So you're giving some type of a hook. So that's what I always try and do in my episodes. You think of them on the spot, like, okay, how do I want to do this? I want to introduce what the title is, and why should they watch this?
And like we've done in the past too, giving that teaser could be 3 tips on how to blah, blah, blah. We're going to talk specifically about 5 ways you can make money filling balloons or whatever. I mean, that type of verbiage is what people will generally go, oh, 5 ways to make money filling balloons. Well, I'm going to stick around,
Yeah. Okay, so let's demonstrate this. What if the video was on the topic of the best way to create a vision board? Go. How would you start that video with both those 2 points?
Well, first of all, I'd ask, what the hell is a vision board?
Heck. It's okay.
Oh, I know. That's why I did that for you. Well, I mean, the title alone, I think, is enough of a hook for me.
Okay.
If this is what I'm interested in, that's the title. I'm not going to say much more than that,
Okay,
personally.
so demonstrate.
You want to know the best way to... What was it? The best something on the vision board?
Like how to make a vision board that works. There you go.
There you go. That's what I would say.
Okay, demonstrate.
Why are you putting me on the
I'll
spot? It's your
demonstrate. I'll
example.
demonstrate. So
You
I would
do
say
yours,
something
and then
like-
I'll do mine, and we'll see who likes
He
them.
just wants time to think about it. All right, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about how to make a vision board that works. You might have seen other videos about vision boards, but how do you do it the right way so that you actually get results from it? That's what we're going to talk about.
There you go. So that was nice.
I
yeah.
introduced the title, but then I kind of give a little
Right.
background of why you want to watch this, because this
You
is this one's
demean
gonna get
other
you the
people's
results.
sites, and then you
That
build
was
up
totally
your.
demeaning, wasn't it? Okay, you're going to demonstrate this one?
You've already done it. It was perfect.
But you said okay. I'll pick another title. Then.
All right, go ahead.
How to make a meat lover's pizza.
You've probably seen other losers' sites on how to make a meat lover's pizza. They don't know jack squat about meat loving or pizza. We do. We're going to... Was that something when you were learning?
That was really good. I don't know anything about meat loving. That would be a good intro, though. I admit that would make a great intro.
Yeah. What do you know? What's the top way to make a? Really, everybody thinks they know how to make a meat lover's pizza. If you haven't watched this video, and you haven't, then you're missing out on the #1 best worldwide meat. I need time for meat loving.
So how come the intros on my videos aren't this good? This was a great intro.
Because I'd usually just sit here and
If
listen.
you want to know how to start a YouTube video, this is the right episode to watch. You're in the right place.
These are his videos.
We're going to end it right here because we're going to end on a high note.
I know.
Comment, subscribe, let
Like.
us know any other advice you have on starting a video, and we'll see you tomorrow.